Hello friends, it's Raquel with the Lady in Her Stamps, and today we are doing our Stampin' Live, but we're just doing it on video. I really want to say Happy New Year's to everyone, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, had a wonderful evening celebrating bringing in the new year. We are going to make this cute card that we had posted over on Stampin' with Raquel, and we're going to make this today. And I want to tell you about the giveaway. So what the giveaway is going to be is we're going to make this card and we're going to have 2 cards. So those 2 cards are going to go free of charge to whoever comments at the bottom of this video. You have to leave a comment that just says what's your new thing that you're going to do for this 2020 year. What's the new thing that you're going to do? And I will pick a name, and then I will send these adorable cards out to you, and you'll have them for Valentine's Day. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I've pretty much cut up everything that I think we need, that we're going to need, and we'll have it all set out here. We are using the Heartfelt stamp set, and this is in the Mini Occasions catalog, which is right here. And this catalog is new for spring, and for every $50 that you order out of here, you get to have something free out of this catalog. And there is some super cute stuff in both of these catalogs. If you need a catalog, let me know. Whoops. Okay, just let me know. That was my little paper thing falling over. Yeah, I'm making a mess already. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to make this card. Like I said, let's move this stamp set out of the way because I think I have all the stamps already and everything like that. We're going to start with our card base, and I'm going to lean that there. I feel crowded. I need to clear my space out for 2020. So we have our card base, which is 5.5 by 4 1/4. We're going to use our bone folder and make that beautiful crease that we had at 4 1/4. Okay, and then we are going to get out the color Flirty Flamingo, and we're going to use this Flirty Flamingo to make these adorable hearts, adorable hearts that are here on the outside of the card, well, on the base of the card, actually. We're going to use those. This is the inside. I think we'll get to that later. So I'm gonna open my card. After I put my crease in, I'm going to open my card. I'm going to come over, get my stamp. I'm going to ink up my stamp. And I'm just going to start stamping randomly on the card, okay? Nothing too fancy, like we want it to be super simple, right? Super simple, easy to recreate, right? Okay, so, and now I'm just going to fill in kind of these little spots that have, just these little spaces that don't have anything in them. Okay, and you're going to do that throughout the card. And actually, if you fold the card over and you ink up your heart, you can do just a couple more. Look at that, we can do 2 more. Super cute. Okay, so we have that part done. I'm going to move that out of the way and take my Flirty Flamingo ink, and I'm going to put it over there. Okay, so we have our card base done. Now what we want to do is this part right here, that is done with an embossing folder, and the embossing folder, I believe, is called Corrugated Sassafras, something like that. And I'll have the name up for you. Hopefully it'll go by here in a second. We're going to use this, and we're going to make this part right here. So I'm going to move this to the side. We're going to bring in the Big Shot, and hopefully it won't move. This is the piece that we're using. Now, I cut this as a scrap. I know that I want it 1 1/4 inch, so that'll be on your project sheet as well. Did I tell you guys about the project sheet? You guys always get the project sheet from here on out in Stampin' Live, but I am going to include it in this video. So you'll get the giveaway, and you'll also get the project sheet, okay? So here, it's 1 1/4, and then this is just cut. I think it's 5.5, I want to say. But so we're gonna use this, and we're going to use the embossing folder. But with this embossing folder, I kind of like to have it, get it a little wet when it goes through, so that it doesn't doesn't necessarily crack on me or anything like that. And it's not super wet. It's just damp. Okay. Then we're going to bring in the Big Shot. And I don't need these pieces here. I just need these two, which is the platform and then one of the plates. And then I'm going to put this in and then I'm just going to run it through. Okay, sorry for shaking. I'm going to run it through. Just like that. And then I'm going to bring over our piece that we had. Ta-da! Pretty, pretty. And our card. And so this is going to go across there like this. It does have a little bit of sparkle to it, but that's because over the holidays, I was doing sparkling everything. Everything had sparkles in it. I think almost all the cards we had sparkle in it. So I'm going to use some tear tape. And just for this, I'm going to put some here to here. Not exactly sure how long I really need it, but I want to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere. Okay. And I'm just going to burnish it down. Same thing on this side. And being careful that I don't tear it, okay? So that you don't want to be too rough with this because it is it's very delicate. Very, very delicate. So I'm going to take that off. And I'm going to do the same to this side. Just, whoops. See, I didn't burnish that part down. That's what happens when you don't burnish it down. There we go. Burnish that part down. And then I'm going to bring this and put it right here. And this is closer to the bottom than it is to the top. Okay. And then smooth it out, not too rough. And then I'm just going to take my, I'm going to take my steps and just cut off, like you can even open it and then cut so that it's equal to the front of your card. That makes sense? Hope so. There we go. And this has the glue, you can tell. All right, so we don't need that. Let's see. Oh, I have like a little bit left right there. Hopefully that is gonna, we'll fix that if it needs be. Okay, so now we have this part done. Now what we're gonna do is work on our hearts. So we have this part here. We have the heart part, and then we have the ribbon. Our ribbon is already done, but we're gonna need, let's see, where did my, oh, here's my red. So here's the red and here's the heart. This is what you're gonna do. This is part of the designer series paper. So this designer series paper coordinates with the punches that come along. It's like a bundle. It is a bundle. And this one has like ridges on it, like ruffles. And this one doesn't, and it's nice and smooth, okay? But we're gonna take this one and we're gonna use this heart right here. See how this heart has that outline right there? And how beautiful this foil is, how pretty that is. So we're gonna take ours and we are just gonna line it up. Line it up best we can, just right there, and punch. And then you have this gorgeous heart. How cute! Oh my goodness. So that's from the first one. And then I pulled in my red. I have a scrap of red. And I'm just going to make anywhere, just punch anywhere on that. And then we have the red heart that goes on it. And this is real red that I'm using, okay? And I'm going to put a little bit of snail on it. Just right there so that I know it'll stay. Just like that. Super cute heart, super cute. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my dimensionals. I really want my big, there we go, my bigger dimensionals. And I'm going to take this, this, and this, just like that. I don't think I'm going to need 3. And I'm going to pop off all of these and put these in the trash. Just like that. And this is going to go right here. It's going to sit up there just like that. Then we're going to need our ribbon, our bow. We've already made our bow with said ribbon. And then when you get this, you guys, everything is going to be done for you. It's already going to be made. It's going to be super pretty already. There we go. Just like that. Now we need to make the little sentiment that's down at the bottom. See that right there? We're going to make that. And all I have, again, I have a little scrap piece. And I'm going to use real red this time. I'm going to use real red. I'm going to open that puppy up. Move that over. And I'm going to ink up. Oh, wait. I have been using this love sentiment from it, which I absolutely love. I have been using it, but I have been taking off the little comma. There's a little comma that's on it. It says, I don't know if you can see that. It says love, but then there's a comma right there. Don't want the comma. So I'm just going to mask it, and I'm going to put some tape only over the comma part. Okay. So I'm going to do my best. Well, first I'm going to do my best to make sure this is straight, because that would help. Just like that. And then, let's see. Just make sure that I have that down well. And then this part is over, yeah, as good as possible. As good as possible. And then ink it up and then take this part off, because you don't want that. That was the whole masking part. It was just to take that part off. Now I need to wipe off this excess ink, which I get my little wiper here, just like that. And then I'm going to stamp, whoops. Let's stamp right there. Oh, kind of, sorta. We're going to do it. Try it one more time. We will try it one more time because I really want it to look nice. So we have this and this. This is where I put it so that I don't forget it. I don't want to lose it. So I put it right there. I'm going to wipe this off. Let's try it one more time. Because see, I have a little dot there. I really don't want the dot either. Really, really don't want the dot. And let's see if I can get even closer. And I don't want to cut it off. I know I could cut it off, but I don't want to cut it off, if that makes sense. So I'm going to try it again. I've stamped it up or inked it up. I'm going to take this part off and we're going to try it again. Let's see what happens, okay? So all we want is the love part and not like little inky dots. Yay, that worked a little better. It worked much better. Okay, now we're going to use, this is the banner punch. We're going to take the banner punch and we're going to take our love and we're going to go right over here. Just right here. My E looks like it's got issues, but we love it. It's still cute. All right. Now we want to have a little banner on it. So we want a banner on the banner. We will do it just like that. And see how cute that is? And then the last thing we need to do, well, it's not the last thing to do because we still want to put the inside on. We do that. Popped it up just a little bit. Come on. And we're going to put this right here. Just like that. Super cute. Then we are going to adhere our inside down. And I have a little, I was trying this one out and I didn't like that one as much as I like this one. So we're going to put this right here. Okay. Super cute. All right, and then this one doesn't have anything. How about we put something on this one too? Let's do let's do something on the inside. How about we do another arrow, but this time we'll do the arrow in red. Let's do the arrow, but it's gonna be in red. Watch out. Watch out. Excuse me. Okay, so we placed our arrow and we have our red ink. Okay, and then our arrows went that way and that way. So let's just do our arrow this way. Sweet. Ooh, that looks really good. And then this one, we will do, hope I'm not in the camera, this way. Ah, perfect. Oh my goodness, I love it when that comes out. I remember when I was just starting out stamping, I used to freak out every time. I was like, no, it's not going to be on there right. No. But this time I know that there's another side. We can always use the other side. Okay, so we have 2 adorable cards right here. And don't forget to enter into the little giveaway if you'd like to have these cards to send. They're super, super cute. They're really cute. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful New Year's. Let's start this thing off right. And I will talk to you soon. I will see you Sunday. If you guys are on the Lady and Her Stamps, my business page, I'm going to start doing some of these cute little projects on there too. So I will see you Sunday. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.